beautiful lotus flowers, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you're into nerding out on everything astrology, spirituality, and self-transformation, this is the community for you. We're gonna start off the video by talking about the steps that I took personally in the beginning of my kind of spiritual journey when I wanted to start reaching more enlightenment and figuring out what resonates with me in regards to spirituality. And then at the end of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can incorporate them into your routine to where it takes no more than about 10 to 15 minutes of your day to start with. So make sure you